All right, I just finished installing an oil filter housing unit on my 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee. This is the old one. It's plastic. That's the big problem with these, is that the concern is that it'll warp over time, or if you really crank on your oil filter cover, then you can actually crack this housing. Now, when I removed mine, I actually didn't see any cracks, and it was pretty dry around the stem where the oil filter goes. However, one of the things I just thought I'd show everybody is that if you look at all my gaskets and seals, these things are really, look at how smooth that one is. This gasket O-ring is supposed to be standing tall a little bit so that when you tighten all these bolts, this makes a really tight seal. Look at how this one's sticking up just a little bit. This one's pretty flattened. All of these O-rings of gasket, now mind you, this has been out of my car for a couple of days, but I'm almost wondering if these gaskets and O-rings are so smashed that that's actually the cause of the leak. Now, you know, the V of your engine, where all the oil is going to pool and then run down, there was oil as far up as, you know, right underneath the oil filter. So if I were to make a prediction as to where mine was leaking, I believe, you know, this is almost perfectly smooth. The O-ring's not sticking out at all. I have a feeling that what happened was the previous owner really cranked in the oil filter way too tight, and so when I cracked it loose, I probably just wiggled this thing a little bit, and I'm thinking this is where the leak was. It could have actually been all these as well, though. Now, 2 of these are for coolant, and I did not see coolant mixed with the oil. So, again, you know, if you're going to pull out your oil filter housing because of an oil leak, I'd recommend switching to aluminum. I'm going to upload a video shortly of the whole install process. But if you're in a pinch and you don't want to spend the money, take a look. If you don't see any cracks, you might just get some Mopar replacement gasket a kit for this, and see if you know, your problem is just that your gaskets are smashed. Anyways, hope this is helpful. Just wanted to share that little tidbit with everybody. Good luck on your car projects. Thanks for watching. Check out the description for more information and hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos.